Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new EDC vlogs for today. So here it goes guys, and here are my top choices for my EDC gears and gadgets when I am away. Okay, so and also I when I am going on bike packing, and also for my everyday carry also. So here it goes, and here it goes, and we're gonna start it up. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up with some of my EDC gears for my bike packing. So first is also I have this one right here. Still I have this I forgot what is the name of this one. So this is this is a bracelet that it has a paracord on it, right? So it's a paracord, and it is also adjustable. So I already take some of it, and there's also I don't know how to I I just don't know how to, just why I have to. And also has a mini knife right here, and it's also good for bike packing, good for me for bike packing. And it also has a compass on it, and also has a whistle right here. So nice, very nice, good bike packing gear. uh, you know so, in case of emergency. And also I have this also my mini binocular. So this is an, or should I say, mini, what is this called, I forgot, mini telescope, right? So nice one right here, also for sightseeing some natures. If you want to see some good 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 natures that you can see here, this is a good one also. Sightseeing the mother nature, right? So when you are on a bike packing mode right here. So it's nice one is because it is a compact one, and also the light one that I have. So here it goes, it's a mini binocular or a mini telescope. Okay, so in here also I have this uh, floodlight. This is a floodlight, in which is a multi-purpose, also multi-use, and which is also has a carabiner in here. It is also has a carabiner, and also has a can opener right here. Also a can opener, and also at the back is there's a magnetic, that you can there's a magnetic, right here, that you can put it anywhere if you some steel. So just in case, just like this one right here. Okay, and then also have to, what's that? Okay. Here it goes, right? So like that one. So very good and awesome. I like this one also. And then, and you can also have some, you can make it on a stand right there. And it is a USB-C, right? This is a USB-C. So okay, and then there it goes, the high, the low, and the blinker. Okay, that's one nice one right there. So next is also this one right here. Is I also use this for my bike packing, since I have a key. So for my bike lock. So this is the key for my bike lock. And then I always bring this one, is because it is so useful to me. And then also it is not visible, right? It is not visible to other people. So as you can see, it's a carabiner, and that you can lock it up right there. So very useful, and has also it is invisible. This one right here is an invisible, you cannot see that. So and it's also right here is got some flat screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver in here. Nice one, very good, nice tool to very nice tool to use that for your, bike packing. And then also right here is also got some headlight. So you can put that in your head, and on good to go for your camping, right? Camping or bike packing, or either you are backpacking or trekking, right? So this is a good one also, and this is still working, right? This is still working. So let's just check that out. Yes, as you can see, this is the high, and also there's the chip on board. Okay, and only two. Okay, there's also a charger in here so that you can charge it up, and then also this is also retractable, so you can take that off. So you can take it that off right there. So nice one. And also you it is, you have tilting, right? So nice, you have to tilt it, and also strap right here, very durable and very good, nice. Okay, and then we are done for my bike packing gears. We're gonna go to my essentials. Okay, EDC essentials, and also I have this also part of my bike packing, right? This is also part of my bike packing. This one right here for chopping. You can use this for the chopping, slicing some fruits or vegetables when you are on a camping mode or a bike packing. Okay, so for my daily use, for my everyday carry, so I have this new EDC flashlight. So this is a good one also, and it is still compared to this one, it still lasts the same, but there's the difference of this one. So it's because some know what here, and also it has a putting you can put that in your side pocket, right? So it is a high, okay, blinking, and then you got some COB right there. So if you want to zoom out, and then there goes the zoom out, and then also that one, and it still got that, right? So it's still the same with here. So it's still the same, okay, high, and then also the, and then if you want to zoom out, yeah, kind of zoom out, and then also the COB right there. So nice one, very good. And also love this two guy, love this two right here. So just for an extra one, just for an extra, if the other one doesn't have the power, okay, and it's in its own low on battery, so just in case I have some emergency, I have some another emergency right there. So okay, so next up right here is this two. So still my everyday carry essentials, everyday gear essentials. So okay, two is this. So this one is big, so we've got some the Superfire S33A, and also this is a good one also that I always bring for camping, right? So this big one for bike packing, big one right here for the bike packing, and also this one is for house for the house. So as you can see right there, three modes, okay, blinking. Okay, so high, low, and you got some blinking right here. So very good and very sturdy. So, and it's also very simple and neat, and aesthetic mode right here. And so micro USB supported, right? So okay, and then on to the next is also this one right here, it's a Superfire, and which I use it for my bike packing or camping. Good one also, and it's also big, and this is also a big one right here. So as you can see, oh, it's low bat, okay, it's low bat. So I forgot to charge it. So the options of this one is there's a high and low, and also there's still a blinker on it. So like that one. So a good one also for bikepacking, and this is a very good product for me to use it, and so very nice, and also good good product that I use it for my bikepacking. So this is a good one also for my daily bikepacking use. Okay, so right, so I think so this is not just the not just too long vlog for me. So good products, so that I can recommend it to you guys. So a good products for you to choose. So I'm gonna link down below all the I'm gonna link down below all the products that I mentioned here. So and some of the stuffs that it does not have a link. Okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs here in my channel, either techs and gadgets, gaming gadgets and accessories, EDC, gears and gadgets, ticks and gadgets, and also some random stuffs here in my channel. So thank you so much, and see you again on my next video.